Hello and welcome back again to Learn with Your Brains, and we are done with summary of cracking the software workflow, and now we are heading towards introduction to cracking GUI based program and analyzing the PE for a GUI based program and so on. So today what I'm going to show you is introduction to the cracking GUI based program. Now let's head into our Windows 7 application or operating system, sorry, not application, operating system. So we are in our Windows 7 environment, and now let me open my software cracking tools, and let me open this application called Crack Me. I'll leave it in the description below for you to be able to. So when I run this program, this is what happens. Check out. So this is mostly what you find out when you run an application. No counterfeiting in the software. Let's close it. Now this is probably every time you run application, this is what you normally see. Sometimes they ask you, please enter your serial key before you're able to use the application, and this is what we call the GUI. Okay, you see how it's been programmed. You can see, you see first the other one, which was this, which I have the patch here. We've already patched it. When you run this, see it comes flash and gold because it's a command line program, so you need to use your CMD or your command prompt to run this program. Okay, the same thing. Let's run the patch and see, same thing, it run and it stop. Okay, because as I told you, it's what a command line program. Okay, so this is the graphical user interface program. So the difference is, one is command line, this is graphical because it's represented in graphics. You can see it, like you can touch it, you see. Okay, you can move around, you can read the information, here, like please enter your serial key and a whole lot of stuff. So this is actually what we mean by a graphical user interface program, where it gives you an option to be able to enter your serial key. So this is the application we are going to crack in our upcoming lessons, so that you'll be able to practice any software you come across. But unless you have the permission to do that, I issue a disclaimer in this video. It's for educational purposes. You need to get the knowledge of how software works and how it's been cracked. Programmers come out with this software so that people are able to identify the flag or the serial phrase or the password, the key that is hidden behind this application. So that is all the knowledge I want you to know about how to go about things. But if it's someone application, that one, unless you have privileges, or you need to read the terms and conditions of the application before you try to do any damage to it. Okay, so this is actually the introduction of GUI based program or the graphical user interface. I was just showing you how this graphical user interface programs looks like. So this is just the basic introduction to that. I hope you've learned something today. See you in our next lesson, where we are going to study or analyze this program. I'm going to show you how to analyze this program. First, we learned about how to analyze command line programs, so we learn about how to analyze this graphical user interface to program. Take care and see you in the next lesson.